Good morning, EABC company. How may I help you?
Hello, may I speak to Alexander Bali?
I'm sorry, but Alex is currently pick a visitor. Would you like to leave a messenger?
Sid Bali, my name is John Smith and I like to discuss our upcoming meeting. My phone number is 123456789.
I'm sorry, would you please repeat your phone number?
Sir, it 123456789.
Thank you. Would you also spell your name for me?
Z it GOSNSMIT.
What is I will pass your messenger to Alex Johnson as soon as he is available.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.